Hey fam, did you eat yet? In this second part of my Tapsilog video, I'll show you how I flipped this classic Filipino comfort food. If you haven't watched it yet, check out part 1, where I go over how the traditional ingredients can affect your health and how the alternatives I use in this recipe can provide great benefits. If you've been enjoying my videos, let me know by hitting that like button. And don't forget to show me some extra love and support by subscribing to my channel. Here's what we'll use in our flipped Tapsilog. 1.5 pounds of grass-fed beef sirloin, sliced about 1/4 inch thick. 1/4 cup of coconut aminos. Juice from half of a lemon. Half a head of garlic minced. 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. And 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic Sea salt. Pour in your ingredients into your bowl of sliced beef one by one and mix well. We're going to prepare and marinate our tapa a day before. If you're in a time crunch, marinating for at least 1 hour will do, but the longer you marinate, the better. Cover the bowl with some plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. The next day, heat a pan with avocado oil, just enough to cover the surface. Give it a swirl to coat it evenly. Once it's hot, add the beef slices in and listen for that sizzle. Flip after a few minutes to brown the other side and then add the remaining marinade. Add 3/4 cups of water and let the mixture boil. Cover the pan and continue to cook it until the liquid reduces to about half. Continue to cook uncovered until the liquid completely evaporates. Fry the beef tapa in the remaining oil. Once the oil has absorbed, remove it from the pan and set aside. Now on to the Sinangag, or our garlic fried cauliflower rice. Here I used a 12-ounce package of frozen cauliflower rice. You can definitely use fresh cauliflower and grind it up in a food processor, but to save time and because I'm lazy, I'm going the frozen route. Heat up your wok with enough avocado oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Give it that nice swirl. Once it's hot, add the minced garlic until it turns light brown. Its amazing aroma will start to take over your kitchen. Add the cauliflower rice and stir fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Season it with about half a teaspoon of the Celtic Sea salt, but you can definitely adjust it to your liking. Once it's done, transfer it to your plate and set it aside. Last but not least, our Itlog, or fried egg. Heat your pan again and add some avocado oil. Crack the egg into the pan and let the egg roll. Let's try that again. Crack the egg open into the pan. And season with salt. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and carefully flick some of that oil to cover the yolk of the egg to get that thin layer. Plate up your mouth-watering dish and garnish it with some sliced tomatoes if you'd like. Serve it with some red wine vinegar and minced garlic if you have any left over, as a dipping sauce for the tapa. Good. This is my flippin' happy version of Tapsilog, using 100% grass-fed beef, coconut aminos, cauliflower rice, and pasture-raised eggs. Whoever said healthy eating had to be bland and boring? Leave a comment below if you tried this recipe or used another healthy alternative. I'd love to know your thoughts and opinion of it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Kain na tayo! Let's try some of this out.